Happy New Year. What are your New Year's resolutions?
My name is Martina. I'm living in Japan. Japan is my home because my husband is Japanese. Today I will talk about our New Year celebration here in Japan. As you know from my past video, my sons visited me here in Japan. Japan is different than Germany. In Germany we have fireworks, huge parties, lots of alcohol, really a loud celebration, like most other countries in the world. We had it also in New Zealand and Dubai, I can't really remember, but Singapore for sure. Anyhow, so here in Japan, you don't do these things. You don't do fireworks. What you are going to do is at midnight, everything is quiet. If you go midnight in Tokyo out, you think nobody is on the street. But if you wait on a main street for a while, you will see people walking towards certain directions, and it's towards the shrine. Everybody goes at midnight to the shrine. Okay, not everybody. Sometimes if you just want to sleep, you sleep and then you go the next day to the shrine. And here in Japan you call this
Hatsumode.
I tell you what we have done in our family, because I think every family is a little bit different. There are certain things what everybody has in common, like going to the shrine if you're Shintoist or Buddhist. Because in Japan this is not really separated, it's sometimes even together. So my husband is, I would say he said atheist, but he is going to the shrine. And when there is a funeral, we are going to the temple. So the religion and culture in Japan is a little bit mixed up. Not every Japanese sees tradition and culture as religion. So yeah, let's say it this way. And what you do also, and we have done this also in Singapore, eating long noodles for longevity on the last day of the year. In Germany we usually eat carb, steamed, with potatoes and some vegetables. At the shrine you pray for whatever you want to pray. What you usually do is you step forwards to the altar at the shrine, take 100 yen and throw it in, and then you ring the bell, bow twice, clap twice, and pray, bow, and leave. So yeah, and after that you get your hayama. This is this arrow what you hang over your door, as you can see here. You buy a little future telling thing which tells you it's good or bad future. If it's bad, then you tie it up at these ropes so it gets away. Yeah, and after that you basically go home. The boys drank some sweet sake for New Year. And then we went home. My husband didn't drink that night because he wanted to drive there. It was quite cold and we're living at the seaside, so we wanted to drive there and go back home. We have visited this shrine now, I think 3 times. We felt it's a good shrine, it's a good luck shrine, because it was very prosperous for us in the past years. So we decided to go there again. However, there are also bigger shrines close to us, like Kamakura, Tsurukaoka Hachimangu. But this shrine is usually very, very crowded. And I sometimes go later in the year to pray there and get a good luck charm. I'm not really superstitious, but in some cases I always think, why not? It can't get wrong. So yeah, I usually eat osechi ryori in the new year, so the housewives are not so busy to cooking, so they can enjoy it also, because all families are coming and meeting, basically same as in the West. Okay, in the West more the young people celebrate New Year's and Christmas, we are all meeting. So this is a little bit moved here in Japan to Oshogatsu, or the New Year celebration. Yeah, and you eat osechi ryori, which we haven't done because I was too busy. I was really busy. And we had also another complication on that day, on the last day of New Year's, was a complete, how can I say it, shit show. Yeah, I have to take care on 2 dogs, which are rescue dogs, and I have actually no experience with them. I have 40 years experience with dogs, but not rescue dogs. So yeah, I wasn't prepared for a lot of things, which is easy with my normal dog. And it ended up, one dog puked his heart out. We thought he is sick, but no, in reality, it was maybe the treats, the fish treats, what he got. Yeah, and it was horrible. We finally could relax at around 10:30. We watched Spirited Away and then went to the shrine. Came back, I think we were by 1:30, 2 o'clock in bed, because after we came back from the shrine, everybody was drinking. Me too. It was just too much. Now anyhow, I hope your New Year was better than mine. Mine was okay. Just this little episode with the dogs. And all the best. I hope you liked this video, and I see you next Thursday again. Bye!